Hello everyone, I am Lakshay Mokta. I have something to share with you through this video on the ending of year 2020. I hope you all like it. So there is only one day left to the end of year 2020. This year has undoubtedly been the most disastrous year in the recent history. There were many mishappenings in 2020, in which the worst one was the outbreak of the global pandemic called coronavirus, which claimed the lives of millions. Some countries went into lockdown around March and reopened their boundaries in August. But they haven't recovered from their losses yet. The socio-economic devastations that served as the ripple effect of the corona pandemic will be felt for the long time to come. However, the good news is that we survived. The even better news is that we have become more stronger after enduring a lot of mishaps upon all of us. Lately, I have been fascinated on the concept manifestation, sometimes referred to as law of attraction. So, law of attraction or law of manifestation states that your energy and your thoughts have the ability to create reality. You do not have to be a spiritualist to believe in manifestation. The concept is basically physics. What you are is what you attract. So having positive thoughts projects positive energy. So it is highly recommended to all of us to start our morning by manifesting the things we wish for in our life. And the thing we can do on the ending of year 2020 is to live for the moment. If 2020 has taught us anything, is that nothing is guaranteed in our life, and that we take so much of things for granted. We have taken our freedom of movement, health, families for granted. We need to learn to live for today. If we want to start a business, why can't we start it today? If we want to be a healthy person, why can't we start exercising, start skipping, start jumping, start running today? If we want to tell someone how much they mean to us, why can't we tell them today? So these are the small things we need to learn, and for whom we have to give importance. And the best thing we can do on the ending of year 2020 is to change our mindsets. Sure, 2020 was a bad year. Yes, it knocked us off our feet and sunk us in despair. However, the saying goes that it is always darkest before dawn. But we have to make ourselves believe that the darkest or worst has gone and the good time is about to come. Dawn is upon us. We have to make ourselves believe, we have to make ourselves see the bright future and the better days ahead. So all the best for 2021, the new year waiting for us to enter inside. So all the best and happy new year, and yes, goodbye to 2020, and thank you.